For teaching and learning to be truly effective and learner-centered, educators must embrace approaches that reflect the needs of today's classroom. A 21st century teacher who is a lifelong learner, tech-savvy, and adaptive can apply the following strategies to ensure that students are actively engaged and learning meaningfully. 1. Hands-on learning. Encourage learners to participate in practical activities that allow them to apply knowledge in real-life situations. This approach builds critical thinking, retention, and independence. Example: conduct science experiments, art projects, or role-play sessions that mirror real-world problems. 2. Inquiry-based learning. Foster a classroom culture where students are encouraged to ask questions and explore ideas. Open-ended discussions and guided research activities help deepen understanding and spark curiosity. Example: begin a lesson with a what if or why do you think question. 3. Use of visual aids. Incorporate tools like charts, diagrams, infographics, images, and videos to clarify complex ideas. Visual aids are especially effective for visual learners and help all students grasp abstract concepts more easily. 4. Continuous assessment and feedback. Assess learners regularly through quizzes, assignments, and informal checks. Provide constructive feedback that highlights strengths and areas for improvement. This helps students stay on track and motivates low-performing learners to improve. 5. Group work. Promote collaborative learning through small or large group activities. Group tasks enhance communication, teamwork, and problem-solving skills. Ensure clear rules and supervision to prevent conflicts or misuse. 6. Differentiated instruction. Adapt your teaching to suit different learning styles and abilities. Provide varied learning materials and teaching methods to meet individual student needs, including visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learners. 7. Integration of technology. Use technology to enhance engagement. Incorporate online quizzes, educational apps, interactive videos, digital storytelling, and virtual simulations to bring lessons to life. Example: use Kahoot, Google Classroom, or PhD simulations for science. 8. Gamification. Make learning fun by introducing game elements, such as points, badges, leaderboards, or classroom challenges. This boosts motivation, especially among younger learners. Example: create a spelling bee with a reward system. 9. Scaffolding. Break down complex concepts into smaller, manageable steps. Offer guidance at each level before gradually allowing the student to work independently. Example: use sentence starters when teaching essay writing, or build on math problems step by step. 10. Collaborative learning. Encourage students to work together toward shared goals. Collaborative learning builds trust, interpersonal skills, and a sense of community within the classroom. Example: group projects, debates, or peer editing activities. In conclusion, when 2 or more of these strategies are combined, the result is a dynamic, inclusive, and effective learning environment where all students can thrive. These methods not only improve academic performance, but also foster life skills that prepare learners for the real world. Please don't keep it to yourself. Like the video. Drop your thoughts in the comments section. Share it. Subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss any daily spark. Thank you.